welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So as you can see, I have got something here which I bought from Amazon. So I'm going to unbox it and we're going to make something using this today. So let's see what's inside and then start with the video. So are you ready to see what is there? If why don't you do one thing? Pause here, go and comment what it can be. Just see this and think what it can be. It's something creative, obviously. So pause the video, go guess and come, then we can continue. So are you ready? Let's begin and unbox it. So yes, here you go. You can see some threads here and there's one pack of, you can see these keychain or charm hooks and beads. So I'm going to make something using this. What is it? Let me tell you. So I'm going to make a macrame charm type which I can use on my bags. So yes, let's begin doing it. So yeah, without wasting time, let's begin. So I have taken two colors, as you can see. One is bottle green, and one is wine red. So I'm going to take this charm hook, or you can say keychain hook as well. So for me this is a charm, so I'll be saying as charm hook. And as you can see, you have to put a lark's head knot. So yes, here you go. You just have to fold it into like this and then put the loop inside the hook, and the ring, and just bring out the other part from inside that, and the knot is ready. Let's go ahead with the macrame knots now. So I'll be using two types of knots today. One is half hitch knots, alternating one, and one would be square knots. So yes, let's go ahead. First I'll be starting with the half hitch knots. So firstly we have to go over it. I have to take the left one, go over the right one, and get it back to the loop, and you have the knot. I am doing it twice, so another one that is alternating. So the right one will come over the left one, and from below to the loop, and the knot is ready. Same thing I'm going to do with the green colored one. So let's do that. So here we go, the half hitch knots are ready. Now let's start with the square knots, where firstly we have to take the left one, go over the middle and below the right, and get the right one below the middle ones and over the left. And here you go, the first square knot is ready. Same thing, you should always start with the one which you started, that is left one goes to right. So first left and then right, go do that. So now right one goes over the middle two and below the left one, and left one goes below the middle two and over the right one. So another knot here. So remember, if you're using two colors, it will be easier. You should start with the same color always, whichever side it is, and it should go over the middle ones and below the other one, and the other one will come below the middle ones and over the main lead. So that will be easier. If it's the same color, then remember, left right, you have to go that way. You should start first with left and then next one with right. So that is how it goes. So as you can see, I am done with square knots here, and I am left with little of the thread. So I'll be cutting out the rest of it to the size of the smallest one, that is the green one. So let me measure it properly and cut out the extras. And once that is done, we'll do the another main part, which gives it a very cute look. So what we are going to do is, we are going to use a comb, as you can see, and just brush it. If it doesn't come out, it actually comes out, but you can even do this. You can just rotate it to the opposite side where it is twisted, so that the threads come out. You can see, once you rotate it to the opposite side, you can see all the threads are coming out separately. So do that and then brush, or you can just start brushing, it'll come out itself uh, after some time. So yeah, then brush it as much as possible to make it, look good. Otherwise it looks messed up, as you can see. So here you go, I brushed it almost. And the main thing is, since it is open-ended, I did one thing. I took the red red thread, and tied it here, as you can see, so that it doesn't go out, come out, the knots doesn't come out. And the extra one, the below part, I brushed it with along with the others, and the above part I cut out the extra. I just left a part of it, and now I'm going to glue it to the to the charm itself, so it doesn't even look like it is extra. So I'm going to stick it with the glue. I'm using the B7000 glue, as you can see. So once it is stuck, then we are ready with the charm. If you want, you can just brush it up a little more. So I'll just brush this so it doesn't look messy. And as you can see, it is mixed up like red green, it's mixed up in between, and it looks so good, the contrast. I just love it. You all tell me, how did you like this? I just loved it. It's looking so cute, literally. I'll also put up a community post where I'll show you a photo of it, or with any of my purse. I'll put it to my bag and show you a pic, so you can check it out in my community post. So yes, that's it. I hope you liked it. I really loved it.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below, and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.